Hello and welcome back to another cubing video. So today I have a vlog, Connect Community 2018, and hopefully this goes up. Last blue cubed vlog I did not put up because I thought it was kind of boring. A lot more exciting things are going to happen today, so we'll see. Yeah, about to leave soon, eat breakfast, and then leave. So I'll see you there. So we got to the competition. I've been here for a while, and I just did megaminx. I got a 4.77 average, so whatever. But yeah, and now we're gonna do a relay. So here goes.
Nice job.
Are you serious? So I just finished 2x2, gotten a two fail solves, which made it not sub 3, but whatever. One looked a bunch of solves, pretty nice, but next is 4x4, so time for that.
Alright, so that one, you got double 30.
So I just finished 4x4, finished lunch. Next is 3x3. I'm up next, not this one, the next one after it, and let's see how I do for 3x3. Can't wait. Really? So I just did 3x3. Up next is megaminx. I didn't. Okay, so I got 3 8s and 2 10s on 3x3. So not great. I got my first PLL skip ever in competition. Well, for 3x3. But yeah. So next is megaminx. Let's see how we do on that. Here we go. I just finished all the finals and everything, and did pretty well. Won cube, 2x2 third place. Megaminx I won. 3x3 got second. So nice results. So next is awards, and then we're probably gonna do another relay. So here we go. So got back home a while ago, pretty late, but yeah, so I did really well in all the events, and very fun competition. Well, see, I didn't do too well in some of the events. I think 2x2 I did well on, megaminx I did well on, Scube the average was bad, single was good, 2.3 single, megaminx bad, not ideal. 3x3 didn't get a sub 9 average. Okay, single I got a 7.65 single, not bad. Then 4x4 I failed the finals, but whatever. I got a good average for the first round anyway, and a 39.99 single. So yeah. Anyway, pretty fun competition, definitely great. And yeah, so next will be MIT. So let me know if I should vlog that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video.